lives of officers, the lives of retired officers, etc. So thank you very much for that.
It was our honor to do that. We know that you guys have a tough job as it is, and we've seen what was happening, the way that the media was coming after you, and so we want you to know we got your back.
I appreciate that. One short story. February 27, 2012, we had a horrible event at Charlie High School. Part of the initial response, long story short, I'm guarding the cafeteria where most of the victims were. I had a deputy coming behind me, was doing triage on the wounded, trying to help them. And the deputy looks up at me at a point and says, "I need to see my own kids." See, I give every one of my employees, whether you're the mechanic, deputy, chief deputy, corrections officer, dispatcher, the oath of office. It's not just words, it's promise. The men and women of Geauga County made good on that day of that promise, doing their duty without yet knowing the fate of their family. So thank you for that letter. Thank you.
Thank you for your service.
This presentation had the privilege of giving to the Ohio Fair Managers Association down in Columbus. Commissioner Claypool was there, and we talked about what we do in Geauga County as part of a safety plan for the fair. The fair, without a doubt, the single largest public event that we have in this county. And how do you manage the safety? The first thing is, and I'd like to start with this, we truly have partnered with the Fair Board. If you think about it, we do share that common concern, that common desire